What if you could mix colors like a pro, controlling red, green, and blue independently with just 3 dials? In this video, I'll show you how to build an interactive RGB LED color mixer using Arduino and 3 potentiometers in Tinkercad. You'll learn how to connect an RGB LED to an Arduino, use 3 potentiometers to adjust colors, and create infinite shades in real time. Let's get started. Hammer and wrench. Step 1. Setting up the circuit in Tinkercad. Open Tinkercad and create a new circuit. Drag in an Arduino Uno, an RGB LED, and 3 potentiometers. Connect the red, green, and blue pins of the LED to PWM pins 9, 10, 11 via 220 ohms resistors. Wire the 3 potentiometers by connecting one side to 5 volts, the other to GND, and the middle pin to A0, A1, and A2 analog inputs. Also, connect the LED's cathode to GND. Left-pointing magnifying glass. Pro tip: use a common cathode RGB LED for easy PWM control. Personal computer. Step 2. Writing the Arduino code. Now, let's write the code to read potentiometer values and control the LED. Play button. Step 3. Running the simulation. Now, let's bring this to life. Click Start Simulation in Tinkercad, turn each potentiometer, and see how the LED changes color dynamically. The analog red function captures input values, while PWM adjusts brightness to create smooth transitions between colors. Now you have a fully interactive RGB color mixer using Arduino and potentiometers. Try mixing different colors and let me know in the comments what cool shades you create. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome Arduino projects.